Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Movie Maker. So pretty much what I did is I accidentally recorded a video, but it came out in two parts. So what I want to do now is combine the two. So I'm going to go on here and click add photos and videos. So I'm going to add this one and prepare this video. Normally it should prepare on its own, but for some reason it's not. And then here at the end, I'm gonna add another one. So it's preparing the two. So while it's preparing, I can't really do anything, but I'll show you a run. So you can edit the size of it. You can add like introductions. You can rotate it. You can record narrations. You can add titles and captions and credits. Like you can do a lot of stuff in here with these. So like right here, if I wanted to add a little like title, like slide in title, bam, I can do that here. Music as I wanted. I don't want to add music, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that frame. You did it. Hang on one second. Stop preparing. Add videos. Let's go one. Let's go down here. Let's go two. Make sure we prepare this and we prepare that. Okay, so I'm going to stop playing around while I'm actually preparing. But there's a lot of different things. You can add different animations. You can add some visual effects. So what I recommend you do is come in here and just kind of like play around a little bit and see which ones you like, which ones you don't like. And then at the end, once this is done preparing, I can export it. I can just go File, Save Movie, and it'll ask me how I want it to be. So usually I do it for YouTube because that's just the easiest one. That's generally where it's going to go anyway. Sometimes they're going to go on Facebook, whatever it may be. Actually, I think this one's going to go on Facebook because this video is going on Facebook anyway. But it'll basically do the video, export the video in a way that's best for whatever medium that you're going for. So that's a way to play around with Movie Maker. Let's see here. They have some really cool things in here. What did I just add? So this is where I can change and edit this. Facebook tip. I'll start doing this on my videos one of these days. And I can kind of preview it here, what it's going to look like. So bam, Facebook tip. And then it's going to come in. So I want to do is cut that frame. Nope. Move that frame. Okay, good. That's what I wanted to do before and didn't end up doing. So, okay. I can change the format. I can select all of it. I can add narration. So whatever you want to do, just play around with it a little bit. So let's see here. Okay, so now it's all ready to go. So what I can do is go ahead and just save movie. And I think we said we were going to do Facebook because that's where it's going. So it's going out here. So I'm going to put this in my weekly tips, into the Facebook tip, final, and save. So now it's going to take a minute, but it's going to save. But then I'll be able to schedule into Social Pilot, and it will get out to you just like this is right now. All right, everyone. See you next week. Bye.